Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 14 of the Advent of Code. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's file. Yeah, as you can see, well, maybe not actually. There's a Pikachu behind me. I'm in Taipei right now. Um, I don't know why there's a Pikachu or the Christmas tree. That's Pokemon themed, but it is, I'm in Taipei. Anyway, let's get to the problem then. Hey everybody, this is day 14. Yeah, I'm in Taipei right now doing this Advent of Code. Wish me good luck. I mean, it's a virtual, whatever. But yeah, if you're new to this, I am going to do the explanation near the end. I am solving this live, watching it for the first time. So, and I'm going to try to, do as fast as I can so you could kind of see my thought process maybe a little bit. But maybe I would not be as articulate as I am usually. All right, am I ready? I think so. So, all right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Clicking is slow. Okay. What the hell is, what is a load? So is it just like, I see. So just sum up all together. Alright, how do I do it? These are just regular Tetris-y things, right? So, I had a thing that I said I would do, but then I didn't, so, oh, here we go. This part is going to be like a typing contest. I think most people should know how to do this. I mean, like they may not do it fast, but they know how to do it in theory. Okay. And then now, okay, so north is up, so it's toward I is equal to 0, right? So how do I do it again? I mean, it's technically sliding windows, I think, but is that fast to type? Only 10 rows. Is that true? Oh, that's for the test. No, that's... Oh no, that's for the test. 100, okay. So R square should be fast enough. Why did I do J again? Is that true? Yeah, probably. I don't know. We'll see. It usually is this, but then I feel like this feels a little bit off. 97, nope. So maybe it is this. 112, still wrong. So 127. I used to have a print map thing, but as I said, if you need to debug, you're probably done. Okay. Oh, do I not brick after this? Okay, that's why. $136 and then this one. Okay. What a silly mistake. I knew I should have booked. This is such an obvious thing. Okay. Part 2. I'm spending too much time like in between parts as well, doing silly things. Have to be better about it. Alright. It's a lot of cycles, so you can't simulate this, I guess. Or you shouldn't be. I mean, after a while it should be the same, but I don't know. Okay, so let's just say, let's call this going off. Terrible name, but it's fine, I guess. I actually have a transpose function. Oh, but transpose is not what I want. I want rotate, right? It's 100 by 100. Is it a square? It is. Okay. Makes it slightly easier. Maybe. I mean, I think these are technically wrong for the rotation, but in theory it should be okay. Which way am I rotating? So go north and then west. Which way is west? This way? I always forget which way is east and which way is west. East is on the right? So west is going left. So oh, this is after one cycle, not after one thing. Okay. So then it goes that way. So that means if we rotate it this way, that means that 0, 0 is going to be, okay, 0, 1 is going to be, R minus 1, or R minus J minus 1 I or something, right? I don't know if that's right. Also, I think it's the other way around, but Okay, so let's say, okay, we don't, well, that's fine, but I want to say, okay, let's just say, let's use a more dumb example of just, we'll have to fix it later, but, okay, so rotate. Oh, I deleted the print stuff. Why, Larry? Why did you do it? It's okay. Rotate, print. Oh. What? No, I didn't. Wait, what am I talking about? Oh, non-local B. That's true. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. That's the right direction, actually. Okay, yeah. Okay. And then now we can actually, well, just for, I mean, while we're here, I think this is right. Okay. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, let's get back this one. So that we have to base this. Okay, so then now, okay. If picture and scene, that's not quite right, but otherwise we rotate and we go north. What a terrible name. We go north first, and afterwards we rotate. It's a little bit different though. But this is for one cycle. Okay, so maybe that's fine. Maybe that makes it fine. I don't know. Oh yeah. That's after one cycle. Is that roughly looking what they say it is? It is actually. So let's see. Let's do 3 cycles because that's what they give us. Oh, why did I? Larry, what are you doing? Are you drunk? Oh. Right, other 3 cycles. Okay, so this looks good. Now we just have to do it a billion times or whatever it is, right? Okay. I know this isn't quite efficient, but I'm just doing for whatever speed right now. So okay, what does 69 mean? That's not right anyway, but it breaks, but okay, so it loops on 10. Oh, okay, so then now it loops. So then, okay, cycle is equal to C. All right. Okay, now cycle is right. Man, why am I so bad at this? I feel like I used to be good at this, but maybe not. So basically, okay. Okay, this is the easy part, Larry. Come on, what are you doing? Alright, so max minus scenes apart, because that's the thing. That's the beginning, that's the end. So then that's how many times this has to cycle through, right? Okay, right? I think that's right, maybe. Right, and then now, the cycle on the cycle, and then now for do in range of G, we do this thing, and then we score it. 64. Ooh. No. We'll see if it's right, but alright, there we go. Really should have been faster on that one, but and there's some optimizations I could do. I just was a little bit lazy about it. I mean, okay, I don't know why I looked at this one, but alright, where would I have been? Where would I have been? No part one, the top 100, but it would have been 94th or so on part 2, which is not bad considering I don't know. I mean, this is a very common technique for them. Not surprised that Shabu got first. The part 1, wow, part 1 people are really fast. What did I do in part 1? Oh yeah, why did I take this so long on this one? Oh, because of this break. But even if I did forget this break, but I think I was just a little bit lazy on the reading. And I was undecisive about how to do it. But yeah, I mean, I guess in theory this would have put me on the leaderboard, but it's still not a good score. Or like, you know, like it's not a score that would break the bank. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I have anything to say to this one. I mean, all right, so this is sorry, I'm just like kind of catching up a little bit on the Discord just to kind of make sure that I didn't miss anything obvious. I mean, part 1, I'm not gonna go over part 1. You know, the code is the way that I do is actually kind of lazy. You can actually do this, like I said, with sliding window, and this would be of R times faster, meaning given my input anyway of 100 times 100, that would have been 100 times faster. And maybe we could do it. I mean, now that we have more time, a lot more luxury, right? Just as a comparison, we could do walk clock time, right? So this took 4 seconds, which is not that bad, to be honest. Or like, it's fast enough. But here, this is to go north, I guess. How would I do it? So basically, sliding windows is, yeah. Which one did I slide on? Okay, so yeah, if the left is equal to 0, right? And this maybe up down is better. Okay, fine. North is equal to 0, and then now for south in range of R, if B I of J is equal to circle, then B of south, I think. Then B of north of J is equal to 0, and then B of south of J is equal to dot, right? And then north, right? In theory. And then, but you have to do other stuff. That's why I didn't do it this way. If this is equal to this, then north is equal to south plus 1. Maybe that's it, really. Let's see if that works. I don't know. 109? Is that right? No, that's wrong for part 1, so we have to debug this. Why is this wrong? Solve because what happened to its period? Oh, I guess north doesn't have to be a dot, so that's definitely at least a thing. So while B of No, if B is not a dot, then it should just go swap with itself. I think that was my logic. Well, I guess we could just print it. Let's see. Oops. What did we do wrong? What did we do wrong? I think we replaced it with some dots for some reason. Oh, I see. Because this is not technically. I think it's supposed to do this first. So then maybe it should be okay. Yep, 136. That's why I was. Order of operation is sometimes tough. Yeah, that's right, right? Yep, that's right. We didn't change it for part 2 yet. That's why. I mean, part 1, the timing is not that important, or at least like it didn't turn out to be important, rather. Yep. Yeah, so it's about like in practice 2 times faster or something. But I'm also printing a lot of stuff. Where's my print B? Oh, wait, no. I mean, yes, but also, where do I print stuff? Oh no, that's in part 1. Then maybe it doesn't matter. Yeah, I mean, this is 3 times faster, which is actually less than I expected. But I don't know. I mean, the complexity is much cleaner. I mean, I guess it's just 3 times faster for the input, right? It's not 3 times for any input. But it'll be all of R times faster with sliding window. But it's just so easy to get wrong. That's why I didn't do it this way during the virtual contest. So that's part 1. Part 2 is a little trickier. I wouldn't call it math, but the idea here is, cycle finding, right? And there are actually cleaner ways to write this. Let me put up a thing for a second. So basically the idea is that, okay, so you have this state. I'm just going to draw a state with a circle. So you have this state, and then now after doing one laundry cycle or whatever, you go to another state of where all the objects are, and then you go to another state where all the objects are. So it looks kind of like this, right? It changes the shape, right? And then at some point, I guess technically it's not always true, but actually I don't even know if it's not. I don't know that, because I feel like these things always have like have a stable state. I don't know if it is possible to have. I don't know if it's always. I don't know if it's possible to have. Like if it goes on like forever, right, in a weird chain, or I guess it can be possible that for a generic input, your cycle could be just really big, right? For our cycle length, we have. I think I printed it, but then I took it out. Where did I have it? Oh, here. Yeah, so our cycle length is about 102, right? But basically, the idea is that after a certain amount of these, your patterns will repeat. And once you repeat, these things are done, right? Because once you repeat, that means that you'll never see a new pattern again. And once you do that, then now you have this linked list, if you will, and you have this linked list, and then you have to figure out where's the 100. Oh, sorry, I don't remember the number. 100 million, whatever number is, it doesn't really matter, right? It's the same thing. So then here is then now. Did I mess up the cycle? No. Yeah. So then now the idea is always going to be the same, or given that you've gone this far. Let me make sure that I'm recording this. Okay, yeah. This is, you just label these however you like in order. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, right? So there are a couple of ways you can do this, and you can actually do this a lot smarter, to be honest, than the way that I did it programmatically. But then now, let's say you're 6, and then now you loop to 7, and then 7. So this same node is 2 and 7. That means that the cycle is length 5, right? So then now you know two things. One is that this length, right? I should do another color. You know this length because, well, that is just the index, right? And you know the cycle length because now you know the 2 and 7. And then there are a couple of ways you can do it. But you can kind of, then next step is to figure out which of these, so because you're going to be in the cycle, so you can figure out which index that it is in the cycle. And for example, let's say it's in 5, then there are two ways you can do it. I did it the lazy way, and we'll optimize this afterwards, I think. But yeah, what I did is that I'm coming from 2, so now I know there have to be 5, so I just continue to simulate and just do it 3 times. You can actually just store all the intermediate ones, and I do anyway, just that I encode it in a different way. And when you do, then you could just take this out in one step and then just return it that way. That's something that you can do, and something that we can do together, maybe. Let's see, where's my thing? Yeah. I just didn't. I don't know. I was a little bit YOLO on that one, just because, like, if I was on a real competitive thing, then I would have. Well, you have to be better about precision and preciseness and stuff like this, and I would not be able to get away with what I did. Probably not. But on Advent of Code, like in this case, what I did took 4 seconds during the virtual contest, but let's say it took 10 seconds. Does it matter? Not really. So that's basically my logic. And the other thing is that if I run it and it takes too long, then I'll go back and optimize it, right? So that's basically the thing. But yeah, G. So then now, G is the number in the cycle. So that means that you want scene of her plus G is the thing. So. Yeah, and then basically this is the thing, and then you want to put that in somewhere, right? So yeah. Just, I'm kind of lazy about this, to be honest, but fine. So maybe you have something like the past as you go to right. So then now pass dot append. Technically, you want to write intent B, but you want to make a copy of B, right? Otherwise, you're gonna be I do a lot of manipulating on the regular thing, so that's probably not a great idea. But yeah, copy. We just do, and that could be as simple as this. I mean, of course, I would also say that these are not production code, so don't give me feedback about production stuff. I know, I'm just trying to do some optimizations, but otherwise, then is this, and then now this is the past, and then you can set B to it, and yeah, and then you don't even need this anymore. Then I don't think, maybe we'll see if that's true. It's fast. But not by that much, to be honest. Is it right though? It's off by like a little bit, so maybe I'm off by one somewhere. But well, that's actually. I thought it would be a little bit faster, but I guess at that point you're only simulating up to like 100 times. I don't know, but yeah, but that's also an optimization that you can do probably correctly. If so, G is the index in the cycle. And this is the beginning of the cycle, right? Am I missing? Am I just like? Yeah, okay. I was just off by one. Okay. Yeah. So now we got it right, and it's slightly faster from 1.4 seconds to 1.2. So that's like what 1/6 or something, so 16% faster, 70% faster. Still not necessary for the purpose of And as you saw, if I had spent the time to do that, I would actually be off the leader, but. Not actually super high on the leaderboard, but yeah, maybe I should have kept track, like on my fake leaderboard thing. But yeah. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah, that is what I have for this one. Let me put up the code real quick. And this technique, I wouldn't say it's common, but it's common in admin of code. I think this happens like once every year. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.